A very good morning to class 4th. As you know, beta, we have completed till chapter 14 and today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 15, perimeter and area. First of all, what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means find the sum of outer boundaries. Again, perimeter means sum of outer boundaries, length of the outline or the boundaries is the perimeter. See, this is a type of register. These are just 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you find the sum of all these 4 sides, this is the, see, the register is of this shape, right? This one is the length of the register. What is length of the register of the book? Anyone in this side is the length. And this one is the breadth, right? This one is the breadth. So, when we add length and breadth, then we are finding the perimeter, right? Only आउटर बाउंड्रीज, हमें इनसाइड का कोई भी आपको ना इधर मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना ही आपको ऐड करना है. जस्ट ऐड द लेंथ ऑफ द आउटर साइड्स, दैट इज पेरीमीटर. एंड व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड ऐड द इनसाइड एरिया ऑल्सो, जब हम उसके अंदर भी बात करते हैं बेटा, तो वो क्या होता है आपका कंप्लीट क्या हो जाता है, वो एरिया. Clear? So the difference between area and perimeter is clear to everyone. Perimeter simply means sum of the outline, or you can say the boundaries. Just only the outer boundaries. And when we talk about the inside also like this, then it means what we have to find their area. So before started the topic, firstly we will discuss about these two, that is closed curve and open curve. Closed curve means, like here I am starting, free hand I am drawing any shape and it ends at the same point from where it start. जहाँ से मैंने इसको स्टार्ट किया था वहीं पे मैंने इसको एंड किया. So what is this? This is closed curves. Curve क्या होते हैं, जो हम फ्री हैंड शेप बनाते हैं. So closed whose end points and starting point is same. Open curve, let's stop here. It's, you can say, the starting point or the initial point is not same as the end point, right? उसका इनिशियल और स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट सेम नहीं है. दैट आर द ओपन कर्व. सो टू फाइंड द पैरीमीटर एंड एरिया वी विल डिस्कस द क्लोज्ड कर्व्स. सो इन दिस फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज द इनिशियल एंड द फाइनल पॉइंट इज सेम. व्हेन वी फाइंड द सम ऑफ दीज बाउंड्रीज, just these boundaries, not inside, only outside, that is called the perimeter. What it is? Perimeter. So you can say perimeter equals to sum of outlines. Right? Clear my point? In this we will study about the triangle. Second one is quadrilateral. Right? About the quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral also there are square, rectangles that we discuss. So first of all we will discuss about triangle. What do you mean by a triangle? A figure made with three sides like this, right? This is the shape of triangle. So again, perimeter means sum of outline. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. So triangle means sum of all three sides, right? The perimeter of a triangle is sum of all three sides. You can give them name A, B, C. So what do you mean by this? A plus B plus C. And second thing is come to about units like meter, centimeter. So unit will remain the same, right? Like A centimeter, B centimeter, C centimeter. So your answer is A plus B plus C centimeter. It will not change. Now our next topic is about quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is the figure which has four sides. How many sides? Four sides. So on the basis of these four sides, there are two types. First one is square, whose all sides are equal, right? All sides are equal. Again perimeter same, A plus C. If this one is A, so ye be A, and this also A, and this also A, because all sides are equal. So formula what? A plus A plus A plus A. And to make it short, I can write like this, 4A unit. Right? 4A unit. Clear about the perimeter of square. Now its B part, that is rectangle. What? Rectangle. And in rectangle, what do you mean by the rectangle? Whose opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Right? So, see. If this side is equal, then this also. And if this side equal, then this also. Right? So, if I give name this to A, then this is also A. And if this one is B, so this is also B. So again perimeter means sum of all sides, A plus B plus A plus B, right? And unit is same. So can I write it 2A plus 2B, and the formula become 2 multiply A plus B unit. Clear students? 2 multiply A plus B unit. Right? So these are the three formulas which we have discussed. That is perimeter of triangle, how to find the perimeter of a square, and how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Clear? So after these, one more point is there, that is quadrilateral. If anyone said you that this is a quadrilateral with all four different sides, all four different sides, so then the sum of the then the perimeter of the quadrilateral is, you can say, sum of all four sides, right? Either they are same, either they are different. Clear? See, square and rectangle are the sub parts of the quadrilateral. In there more are there. In quadrilateral there are more parts like rhombus, trapezium, these are also the part of the quadrilateral, which we will discuss in the next class. So after this quadrilateral, our third topic, that is irregular shapes. What? Irregular shapes, right? If so, irregular shapes are those which are neither come in the category of triangle nor quadrilateral, like this curve. See, one example. If I make the shape like this, then half you will find the perimeter of this shape. Again, same as the definition, sum of outline. You will just add the given sides, these length units, and find the perimeter of this irregular shapes. So clear? So now we will start our exercise 15.1. Now the first question is, find the perimeter of the following. In the first question, A part, it is given that a triangle with side 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 14 centimeter, right? So again, what is the formula of perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter of triangle, sum of all sides. So 8 plus 11 plus 14 centimeter. You will add and write the answer here. Now in the B part, a quadrilateral with sides 12 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So this one is also same. You will write the sides, length of the side, and then write perimeter of quadrilateral equals to, add all the side and find the perimeter of the quadrilateral. Now in the second question, find the perimeter of the following. The second question is like the pictures given here, like this. One picture I am drawing here. Like this. This side is 2 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter, 1 meter, this one 5 meter and this one 4 meter. So again beta, when you finding the perimeter of this type of shapes, see, you can say it is like irregular shapes, right? So perimeter same, sum of all sides. So you will start from where you want. Now add 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 and at last the unit, right? You will add all these and write the perimeter of this irregular shape. Another B part, which is like this. In this shape it is given. In this only one where you may get confused, that is, here it is given that 2 meter and this one 8 meter and this one 8 meter. So students, the meaning of these two lines means these sides are equal. These sides are equal. See, we are writing like this, equal sign, and in the figure when we draw the lines, it means these sides are equal to each other. So this one 8, this one also 8. Now 2 meter and these all 4 are equal. So this is also 2 meter, this one also, and this one also 2 meter. Now easily you can find the perimeter of this shape. What you have to do, just add all these length of the figures, right? Now in the C part, every unit is written separately, so you can add and find the perimeter. Now third one is find the perimeter of the following squares. In the third one, see, there are square given to you like this. This one, this one, this one and this one. This is 6 centimeter. Right? So the meaning of these line means these all sides are equal. By line also they are telling, and in the given question it is also mentioned there that these shapes are squares, and in square all sides are equal. Right? So if this is 6, this one also and this one also. So direct we can find the perimeter of square like 4 multiply side. Learn this formula. Perimeter of a square is 4 multiply side. And how it comes? When we add all these sides, it becomes 4s. So 4 multiply 6 unit centimeter. 4 6 are 24 centimeter. Right? B and C part you will do yourself. One more thing, students, remember in this exercise, when you do these questions whose figures are given, you have to draw these figures in your fair notebook also. This is clear? You have to draw the figure also. Now, after this, come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is, side of a square is 125 centimeter. Find the perimeter. And next question is, give your answer in meters. So, question number 4. It is already mentioned that the side of the square is equals to 125 centimeter. Right? Now, perimeter. So, perimeter of square equals to 4 multiply side. Right? And 4 multiply 125 equals to, again remain unit centimeter. It becomes 500 centimeter. Now the second question in this is, give your answer in meter. Right? So we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Right? So 500 divided by 100, 0 cut by 0, and it becomes 5 meter. So here you can write perimeter of square is 5 meter. Clear? After this, come to the question number 5. Kavita takes 4 rounds of a square park of side 50 meter. Again square park है, side is given, side of park what equals to, it is there 50 meter. Right? And she took 4 rounds. So number of rounds equals to 4. Now what is the distance covered by her? So again, if the side is, one side of the park is 50 meters. So firstly we will find the perimeter of the park. Right? That is 50 multiply 4, because the formula is 4 multiply side. So this is 200 meter. Now if in one round distance covered in one round equals to 200 meter. Now they are asking about the how much distance is covered by her in 4 rounds. So again you will write distance covered in 4 rounds, right? That is 200 multiply with 4, that is 800 meter. So how much distance Kavita covered? Kavita covered 800 meter. After this, the sixth question is, find the cost of fencing a square park of side 30 meter at the rate of rupees 500 per meter. So again students, in this question, see, they said that they want to fencing the wire. Fencing means boundaries के around wire लगाना होता है. Clear? So the side of the park is 30 meter. Now for fencing outer boundaries, it means what we have to find? We find the perimeter of the given park, right? So firstly, what is the side here? Side of park is equals to 30 meter. Now perimeter of park, again square given है, so perimeter is 4 multiply side, that is 4 multiply 30 meter and equals to 120 meter. After this, the next they are saying that price of fencing 1 meter equals to rupees 500. So cost of fencing 1 meter equals to 500 rupees. Right? Now we have to find the cost of fencing 120 meter. How much? So cost of fencing 120 meter equals to 120 multiply with rupees 500 and you will find the cost of fencing the 120 meter area, right? After this, the question number 7, that is, Mohan runs around a rectangular field. Now in the question number 7, the field come as rectangular field. So students, rectangles are whose length, opposite sides you can say, are equal. Means this side equal to this and this one equal to this, whose opposites. I hope everyone knows the meaning of opposite. So rectangles are whose opposite sides are equal. So in rectangular field, 85 meter long means length is 85 meter and 30 meter broad. After this, Arpita runs around a square field of side 50 meter. So now 50 meter square side also given. If Mohan takes 3 round and Arpita takes 4 round, who will run more and by how much? So in this question number 7, students, there is comparison between the two fields. One is rectangular and second one is square field. So firstly, we will start with Mohan. So here I am writing the name Mohan, and in bracket also you can write for rectangular field, right? So in this, length that is equals to 85 meter and breadth equals to 30 meter. right? So your first work is firstly see the units are same or not. Now what I have to do here, find the perimeter of, sorry, here rectangular come, perimeter of rectangular filled, and this also here come u. So see, this is a rectangle, length, breadth. So as I told you here, the formula it can become like this: 2 multiply length plus breadth, right? So the formula of this is 2 multiply length plus breadth. 2 multiply length is 85 and breadth is 30, and here you will write the unit. So this become 2 cross 8 plus 3. When you add these, 115 come, and when you multiply with this, it come 230 meter. So this is about the perimeter of the rectangular field. After this, Mohan takes 3 round, right? Mohan takes 3 round. So you can write here distance covered in 1 round. How much? 230 meter. How much round Mohan took? 3 rounds. So distance covered in 3 rounds, that is 230 meter equals to, multiply with 3. So it becomes 690 meter. So how much distance Mohan covered? Mohan covered 690 meter. After this, come to the next one, that is Arpita. Right? Now we will go with Arpita for square field. So in this, side is given here. Side of the field is field equals to 50 meter, right? Now perimeter of field, again what is the formula? 4 multiply side. So 4 multiply 50 meter equals to 200 meter. So perimeter of the field is 200 meter, right? Now Arpita takes 4 rounds. So same beta, distance covered in 1 round. How much? 200 meter. And how many rounds Arpita take? Arpita take 4 rounds. So it means distance covered in 4 rounds. So to do, we will multiply with 200 meter, multiply with 4, and it becomes 800 meter. So after this, the question is who will run more? So see, Mohan run 690 meter and Arpita run 800 meter. So what you will write here? Arpita runs more by how much? So 690 meter, 800 meter minus 690 meter, and it equals to 110 meter. Arpita runs more by 110 meter than Mohan. So clear the question to all? See, in this question, let me explain once again. In this question, they are discussing about the two different fields. One field is rectangular shape and second field is square shape, right? So about the rectangular field, the length is given there, that is 85 meter, and breadth is 30 meter. So first what we do, we will find the perimeter of the rectangular field, which comes equals to 230 meter. After this, they said that Mohan takes 3 rounds. So it means he took 3 rounds. So distance covered in 3 rounds equals to 690 meter. Right? After this, come to Arpita. So in this, Arpita field is square field. So side is given here 50 meter. After this, perimeter of the field 4 multiply side. Put the values in the formula and the perimeter is 200 meter. After this, they said that Arpita take 4 rounds. So which equals to 800. So who cover or who runs more? Arpita run more by 110 meter than Mohan. So clear? So today we have done exercise 15.1, question number 1 to 7. The next question from 8 to 15 we will discuss in the next lecture. If anyone have problem in these first 7 questions, you can comment and ask.